Hello, hello mga kaibigan! We are back para sa isa pang episode ng Paano Nga Ba Pwedeng Lumipat sa Ibang Bansa ang Mga Pilipino. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang UK, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Today, pag-uusapan natin specifically yung mga nurses natin na gustong manirahan sa United Kingdom. Manay, kasama natin of course ulit ang CEO ng World Connect, the biggest migration and education consultancy agency sa buong Pilipinas. Manay!
Good day, everyone. Okay, maganda yung topic natin ngayong araw.
UK, London, di ba?
Opportunities for our nurses. By the way, I'm also a nurse by profession. Kaya gustong-gusto kong i-discuss yung pathway for nurses.
Yeah. So, pag nurse ka, kailangan graduate ka dito. Ngayon sabihin mo, alam mo, gusto kong pumunta ng UK. Ano ba ang pinakamabilis? Kasi alam ko may proseso pa sila eh. Mag-OSCE pa yan, kung ano-ano. Pero there's another way, di ba?
Okay.
Meron palang other way. Manay, paki-explain.
Gagawin pa din yung CBT test, yung OSCE, gagawin pa rin yun. Pero ang mahirap kasi, if you're in the Philippines, it's a long process.
Correct.
May better option na makakaalis na ng mabilis yung ating mga
Kahit wala ka pa
mga
nun.
nurses.
Tapos
Yes.
nagwe-work ka doon, kukwento namin kung paano, wait lang. So, magwe-work ka doon dahil nasa healthcare system ka na, nakikita mo na ito pala ang system ng UK,
Okay.
ng National Health Service. So, pag nag-test ka later,
Mas magiging
mani
madali.
na.
Okay, eto gagawin natin. Lahat ng nurses, basta registered nurses in the Philippines, at least meron silang 1-year work experience.
1 year.
Although this is not mandatory, but it is recommended, mas maganda yung meron ng 1-year work experience in the Philippines. Ang gagawin natin, papakunin natin ng 1-year Masters of Healthcare.
Masters of Healthcare. Ang kagandahan nito with the Masters of Healthcare, madali kang ma-promote as a supervisor later on. Pag dumating yung
magiging
opportunity.
specialist
Correct.
nurse sila. So the job role, the salary, match better.
Bonggang
Yes.
salary.
Yeah.
Diba?
So ang mangyayari, they will be studying 1-year Masters of Healthcare only.
At ang pasok niyan, hindi everyday.
Okay, so 2 to 3 times a week,
2 to 3
depende again sa university na papasukan. Ang kagandahan, ang estudyante, they are allowed to work 20 hours a week sa United Kingdom.
So, aral ka ng approximately 20 hours, work ka ng approximately 20 hours, pabanjing-banjing ka, and then enjoy the beautiful UK.
Yeah, you can travel across United Kingdom, pero ang maganda, the course duration is only 1 year.
1 year.
Okay. At yung mga nurses, mas madali sa kanila to pass the computer-based test eventually because they're already working. So they
Correct.
know now the healthcare UK standards and
Correct.
protocols. Mas alam na nila yung healthcare delivery system ng United Kingdom. Since they are working, nag-i-immerse na sila doon sa workplace.
Ganda, di ba?
Diba?
Oo. So, ito another pathway. Kumbaga, di ba? There's more than one way to get your desires in life. Di ba?
Okay, so when they study and work, yan yung mangyayari sa 1 year. So they get to learn and earn.
Ay, pagkatapos.
After the 1 year, they can now apply for the post-study work permit.
Post-study work
2
permit.
taon ang ibibigay sa kanila since nag-aral sila ng 1-year Masters of Healthcare.
Hindi kayo uuwi ng Pilipinas,
Okay.
in short.
Okay, now, ano na gagawin ng nurse? Within the 1 year na nag-aaral siya ng Masters of Healthcare, kailangan niya na ngayong pasahan yung IELTS na requirement ng Nursing Midwifery Council.
Yan.
Yung NMC. So, kailangan yung IELTS niya, speaking 7, listening 7, reading 7, writing kahit 6.5.
Ang problema kasi sa Pilipino, pag dito sila nag-IELTS, dahil araw-araw naririnig nila Bicolano or Bisaya, Ilocano, Tagalog, so ano yung tenga nila? Nalilito sila pag nag-IELTS, pero pag nandun ka na, araw-araw mo naman naririnig yung English.
Precisely.
Yung brain mo, parang you have 1 year to train your brain in very,
Yes.
very good, eloquent English. Pag nag-exam ka, mani-mani na.
Yeah. But before they study the Masters of Healthcare, 6 IELTS required yan. So, dapat may 6 sila na IELTS.
Mas madali yung
Or PTE,
6, oo.
pwede yon.
PTE.
Pwede. Pearson Test Academic. Now, after ng 1 year, kailangan bago mag-apply ng post-study work permit ng 2 years, mas magandang pasahan na nila yung IELTS na required ng NMC. Kasi ang gagawin natin, habang nag-aaral sila ng 1 year sa Masters of Healthcare, pwede natin ipadala sa NMC yung mga requirements nila.
Uy, kita mo, meron palang ganun, no?
Yes.
Oh,
And then, they can take the CBT test, yung computer-based test.
ano pa hinihintay nyo kung nurse kayo? Abay, mag-UK na kayo,
Okay.
eto.
So, after nung computer-based test, it's just a multiple examination. So, ang mga nurses naman natin, mapapasahan
Matatalino
na.
ang nurse
And
na
then, they're
Pinoy.
already working in the UK while they're studying the Masters of Healthcare. Yun yung benefit nun. So, after nilang mapasahan yung CBT, padala na sa Nursing Midwifery Council yung mga documents, then they will receive a letter para pagpasado na sila, they would apply for the OSCE. Yan na yung practical-based examination. After they pass the OSCE, they just need an employer, dire-diretso na yan. Now, ang maganda, ang problema kasi may nagtanong sa akin, Ma'am Cathy, nurse ako sa Philippines. Dito ko na-asikasuhin yung lahat. Pwede naman. Pero to find a sponsor would be very difficult.
Correct.
If you're in the UK, you pass the CBT, you pass the OSCE, you're already working part-time. Ang
At
magbibigay
kaharap ka
sa'yo-
na nila.
Ang magbibigay sa'yo ng job offer, yung pina-part-time na nila.
Correct.
So very beneficial, yung Masters of Healthcare, you get to learn, you get to earn, you get to meet your part-time employers that eventually would sponsor them.
To live. Kaya learn,
Correct.
earn, and live.
If you're interested, all nurses out there, hindi mo kailangan ng napakataas na IELTS. 6 muna. Aaral lang muna tayo ng 1-year Masters of Healthcare. Then we would help you how to process your UK registration, how to become a nurse in the United Kingdom. We will help you visit any branches of World Connect in the entire Philippines.
Mabuhay!